Hello, today I'm going to show you how I structure my own practice to practice alone with Pongbot ball machine. Easy to transport, I really like this machine. And let's go. Let's set up this. Here you can just do this, turn, and here you can put the balls, up to 120 balls if I'm not mistaken. And now the back tree I just do this, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. This is the Pongbot ball machine. And now this is the back tree. Actually, it's a really beautiful weather now, sunset. I can just turn it on here. Before connecting with my phone, I'll just put here some balls and more balls. I can show you is almost nothing, or looks almost nothing, but I have, I don't know, about 40 balls. And I'm ready to start my own practice. I selected forehand and backhand just to move a little bit. Challenge, I put level 2, not the easiest, not the most difficult, because I just want to warm up a little bit, and let's see how this goes. And you can start by playing always cross court, and then you can change to play down the line here. Down the line. Oh, my backhand is not good. Oh. Short. Oh. Okay, as you can see, you can really warm up. I feel now my legs here. I empty every single ball, and now I'm gonna go to the second drill and I'll show you. Also, I'm gonna show you from that side how the machine feeds the ball to us. Here you see the balls turning and the machine as well. Here and now from here, one more. Yeah. So for second drill, I just chose forehand, defense, and counter attack, and I really enjoy this exercise, this drill, because I'm forced to move back and forward, and it's really important when you play tennis to keep moving. And this machine is perfect because can always feed the ball exactly what I want, and with too much quality and with enough speed. So let's go. And now higher, and now down the line. This forced me to move more. Cross court. Oh. 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 Este é difícil. Ah. 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 Este quer ser muito. Okay, so as I like to work on all areas of the court, now I'll do approach to the net and volley, because I'm trying to make my game a little faster where I need to play less in every single point. So approach and net actually makes sense for me, because I can improve the way I approach the net, playing more deep balls and then closing with the volley short and cross. So let's see. Okay, if I play down the line, I need to cover that side and then anticipate backhand. So notice the difference. Down the line here, I do split step here and then I go backhand. And when I play cross court, I need to go here, so I run less. Oh. And I'm super tired now. As you can see, I'm already getting tired, and I'm not even doing every single ball, just to explain a little bit more to you how I practice. So now I want to do some smashes, so I go to the other side. Just want to show you again how amazing is this ball, because it's so easy, and we can bring this machine everywhere, and is our coach, so I really enjoy. Just want to say before I do some smashes that one of the biggest advantages of this machine is also the battery that can last up to 8 hours, which is unbelievable, because you always have this machine with you, can last for so much time that yeah, I don't know what to say more about this machine. That all seems so good. So yeah, let's do some smashes. Okay. Uh, 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 oh no. Uh, I like to choose some complex exercises, and as you see, I am really tired. I'm already sweating, and I'm not even doing the drills until the end because I'm showing to you. So I'm having lots of fun, waiting for the summer to enjoy even more practices with the machine. Now I chose one exercise with where I can hit, when I will hit one ball that the machine will send with underspin. Is really difficult, that ball. Then one ball with more topspin, one approach, one forehand volley, and one smash. And let's see if I can beat the machine. This first wall is super difficult. Now with more topspin. Whoa. I missed. Now approach. Uh, now going back. This first ball that is super difficult. What? What? I still have balls here, but I'll try to put some balls on the racket here to save them. But I'll just show you how you can go home after your practice. And this is so simple that, yeah, I need to show you. So I'll keep these balls here. I still have 3 balls there, but basically you can just turn off here. You can remove the battery here, super easy. As you see, this is super easy, and then you just do this. The machine is already turned off. Yeah, and then you can just do this here, balls out, and then you just go home. And if you are still there, I still need to play a little bit with my machine, so I'm not going home. This was just to show you. I want to hit some more balls because, as I said, I really have lots of fun with the machine. So of course I wouldn't go home because it's still day and I still can enjoy more. Yeah, in the center, put the battery back and balls back. And if you have any question about the machine, about Pongbot machine, let me know. Easy to transport. I don't know what else to say because I really enjoy. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good day. Use the code Filipe5 if you want to purchase this machine. Let me know if you already bought, because I know some of you already bought it, how you feel. Help other viewers with your opinion about the machine. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.